In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your channel to a private channel. So if your channel is public and you like to go ahead and make it private, it is pretty much simple. You can do this in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on the channel that you want to make private. And once you have clicked on it, go over to the right hand side here under more actions and click on it, and then go to edit settings. Now this will highlight quite a number of options on this channel. Scroll down until you see this change to a private channel. To change it to a private channel, go ahead and click on this, and you're told that you have to keep in mind that when you make this channel private, no change will be made to the channel's history or members, and also all files shared on this channel up until this point will be publicly accessible to everyone. So you have to note that. However, once you have made it private, then files and messages shared after this will no longer be available to the public. So I'd like to go ahead and confirm this by clicking on change to private, and now the channel is no longer public but now private. So that's how you can change a public channel to private in Slack workspace. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.